Are you ready to transform your bathroom into the ultimate oasis?
In today's video, we're diving into the top bathroom trends for 2025 that everyone's buzzing about here in the UK. From spa-like retreats to ECO-friendly designs, we've got the inside scoop. This year, it's all about creating a bathroom that's more than just functional.
2025 is bringing a blend of luxury, sustainability, and personality to British bathrooms.
Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for small upgrades, there's something here for everyone. Trend 1: Spa-like retreats. First up, the spa-like retreat. In 2025, bathrooms are becoming our personal wellness sanctuaries.
Think freestanding tubs, rainfall showers, and ambient lighting. Add some greenery or even a mini herb garden to bring the calming feel of nature indoors.
Trend to bold colors and patterns.
Say goodbye to all white bathrooms. Bold colors and patterns are making a big comeback. From statement tiles to wallpaper with intricate designs. Don't be afraid to inject some personality into your space. Jewel tones like emerald green and sapphire blue are especially popular this year.
Trend 3: ECO-friendly features.
Sustainability is at the heart of 2025 trends.
Water-saving fixtures, LED lighting, and recycled materials are must-haves for ECO-conscious homeowners.
Look for products with energy-efficient labels and consider upcycling furniture, like turning an old chest of drawers into a unique vanity.
Trend 4: Smart bathrooms. Technology is taking bathrooms to the next level.
Smart mirrors with built-in lighting, touchless taps, and even voice-controlled showers are making daily routines more convenient and futuristic. But remember, it's all about blending tech seamlessly into your design.
Trend 5: Natural and textured materials.
Finally, natural and textured materials are big this year. Stone sinks, wood paneling, and even textured wallpaper add depth and warmth to your bathroom. These elements bring a tactile, earthy feel to the space while staying effortlessly stylish.
Quick-fire tips for any budget.
Not ready for a full makeover? No problem.
Here are a few budget-friendly ways to incorporate these trends.
Swap out your tap handles for modern designs.
Add a bold shower curtain or colorful towels. Use LED candles for a spa-like glow. And that's a wrap on the top bathroom trends for 2025.
Whether you're going bold with patterns or embracing the serenity of a spa-like retreat, there's no better time to refresh your space.
Which trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home improvement tips tailored to UK homes.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.